Okay, here's the system at Roads and Drainage in Polk County. The power enclosure to the repeater. That's the donors. This is the DAS. Going over to the mechanical room. The donors. Put some backing for the mast to keep them secure. And then cocked everything up. Yeah, you got the bars.
Well, I got the bars. Yes, strong. It's strong.
Yeah, I got full bars, man.
Full bars?
Kick ass. Y'all did it, man.
This is the most bars I've ever seen on my phone. And here.
Survey guy got his first text in his building. He almost cried.
Cell phone?
Yep, it's working.
It's working?
Don't call me.
You got the...
No, 3 bars.
Okay, good. So you're LT, yeah, this is nothing bars.
Oh.
When I came, it was on 1 or nothing.
Yeah, inside this building, there's almost
No,
nothing.
yeah, almost no signal.
Okay.
All right, so you're good.
Yeah.
You try to see if you can stream something. So it's pulling all the data. Okay, good.
That's
Okay,
working
good.
fast.
Yeah.
It's
This
working
is
fast.
something else, but at least it's faster.
All right, good stuff.
Awesome.
3 bars. So,
Awesome.
thank you guys.
No, you're welcome. It's streaming?
I'm playing YouTube.
Okay, good.
So that's a good thing.
Oh, that's no. Once you're streaming, that means you got plenty of megs. There you
Boom.
go. There you go.
Boom, chuckalaka.
It's working.
It's working. Yeah, try to get online. See if you get on the internet.
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, there you go. You're good.
We're good to go.
All right, my friend.
Everybody's happy.
I just wanted to make sure you're
That's why I
Person who orders
make
happy.
sure, 'cause I didn't want to let you out the door until everybody gave you the You just gonna have to call you right back.